Dry, drought-like conditions continue today and into tomorrow with no relief in sight. It's been an unusually long dry spell, with some areas of the city not seeing rain for over 20 days. Might as well leave those umbrellas at home, folks. Back to you, Brooke.
In other news, Claire, how is that feature article coming? We go to press very soon. Hope you've gotten over that writer's block. You have gotten over it, right?
Beautiful night for the apocalypse.
I don't know, it's pretty chilly. I thought it would be warmer than this.
Oh no, it's gonna get a lot colder. A lot colder. Come on, Rufus.
We went out for drinks, he paid for everything. He is so cute, but you know, there is something a bit off about him. Can't quite put my finger on it. No, actually, he did say this one really weird thing. Do you know what he said? He was like, are you even listening?
I'm listening. Mostly.
No, you're still thinking about that man with the dog leash, aren't you? You were dreaming, or sleepwalking again.
I wasn't dreaming. It actually happened. And I haven't sleepwalked since college. Sleptwalk?
No, I think it's sleepwalked. And yeah, you did a bunch back then. Do you remember that lecture we attended? And what was it, abnormal psychology, about all the different things that people do when they're sleeping? Driving, sleep baking, sex. There's even sleep painting. Do you remember a woman that did that?
I wasn't sleepwalking.
But don't push yourself too hard, okay? You know how you get when you're tired. You start imagining that everyone is plotting against you.
No, I don't. I was just wondering why he had that bucket of water.
Still no rain in the forecast, folks. Brooke, we've had people calling in saying, can't you do anything? You're the weather people after all. And while that's true, we can only predict and then report the weather. That's the extent of our control, no matter what you've heard. Back to you, Brooke.
Today in Washington, roving bands of wild apes terrorize.
Hi there, remember me?
I do remember you. You're the guy that sold me those bad clams. And you call yourself a fishmonger.
No, I met you here last night. Hi, Rufus.
You know Rufus? He hasn't mentioned you. I wonder why that is.
Wait.
He just handed it to me. He said, wait, I walked back, and he handed it to me.
Isn't that the shit you got from Mexico last year?
Wait, that's him! Oh my god, he got rid of his mustache.
Who, the weather guy?
Excuse me. Hi. I like the clean-shaven look. I just want to say thank you for inviting me into your group last night. I do have some questions. Actually, I have a lot of questions.
I'm sorry, I don't know who you are.
What are you talking about? We met last night. You gave me the shaker. We chanted in a big group. There was a clock, a big clock. It does sound kind of weirder than I'm saying it out loud, but...
Excuse me, I really have to go.
Claire, you have got to get more sleep. No more coffee for you.
Claire.
Where you been? I've been calling you.
I guess my phone is dead. What time is it?
It's gone 10.
Gone 10? Oh, great. Okay. Sent. I sent it nearly before it was too late. Made deadline.
Brilliant. Looks like you made some sleep. Let's get coffee.
Coffee sounds really good.
Grab a Broly.
Drought-like conditions no more, folks. We're getting steady rain in the forecast for the next few days, Brooke, so better get out your raincoats. This is Rufus Waterman. Back to you.
Thanks, Rufus. In other news, Claire once dreamt she was a butterfly, fluttering hither and thither, to all intents and purposes a butterfly. She was conscious only of her happiness as a butterfly, unaware that she was Claire. Soon she awakened, and there she was, veritably herself again. Now she does not know whether she was then Claire dreaming she was a butterfly, or whether she is now a butterfly, dreaming she is Claire.